Good morning everyone. Today I will show you how to estimate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in concrete. Alright guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I will show you how to estimate quantities of cement, sand and aggregate in a concrete. Let's go. So let's start to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregates in a concrete. So this is a slab and this is the cross sections of a slab. The slab has 4 meters length and 4 meter width, and the thickness or depth is 0.15 meter. So the first thing what we need to do is to identify the total volume of slabs. So total volume of slab is actually the length times the width times with the thickness or depth of the slab. Length and width times thickness or depth. Okay, so the length is 4 meter, the width is 4 meter, and the depth, the thickness is 0.15 meter. 4 meter times 4 meter times 0.15 meter. So the total volume of slabs will get 2.4 meter cube. Okay, so this volume is actually a wet volume, and we have to convert wet volume to dry volume. How to do that? They actually have a ratio of 1.54. So dry volume is actually 1.54 times of wet volume. Okay, so dry volume is actually 1.54 times the wet volume, 2.4 meter cube. So the dry volume is 3.696 meter cube. Okay, so before we proceed further to calculate the volume for each cement, sand and aggregate, what we need to do is we must understand the ratio of concrete. So the ratio of concrete is actually 1 part of cement, 2 part of sand and 4 part of aggregates. Okay, so which total up of 7. Okay, so this is sand, this is cement, this is sand, and lastly this is aggregate. So the ratio is important for us to proceed to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate later. 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So to calculate the volume of cement, we have a ratio of 1 for semen and the total ratio is 7. Semen we have 1 and the total ratio we have 7 times the dry volume. The dry volume is 3.696 meter cube. So 1/7 times 3.696 meter cube, and we will get 0.528 meter cube. Okay, this is the volume of semen, but semen is supplied through bags. Okay, so we have to convert this volume into number of bags of semen. So number of bags of semen. Okay, the first information we got is we got 1 bag of semen is actually 50 kg, and the second information we got is the density of semen is actually 1440 kg per meter cube. So we use the formula of density, okay, and we calculate the volume per bag. Okay, so density is actually mass per bag over volume per bag. So the density is 1400 and the mass per bag is 50 kg, and this is the volume per bag that we are looking for. So you bring volume per bag up, you put the density down, and you get the volume per bag of the semen. Per bag is equal to 50 divided by 1440. So you get 0.0347 meter cube. So this is volume per bag. Okay, so to calculate the number of bag, okay, for this slab, okay, for this slab is equal to the total volume of this semen needed over volume per bag, okay, over total volume per bag. So the total volume is actually 0.528, okay, this one. So we will take this, divide by the volume per bag here, then we'll get the number of bag. Divide by 0.0347 meter cube, then we'll get 15.2 bags. Okay, so this is the number of bag of semen we need for this slab. Okay, so next we will calculate the volume of sand. Okay, so the ratio of sand is actually 2, okay, over 7 is the total ratio times the dry volume of the concrete. Okay, so 2 over 7 times 3.696, the dry volume of the concrete, and you'll get the numbers of 1.056 meter cube. Okay, so this is the volume for sand. And next we will calculate the volume of aggregate. To calculate the volume of aggregate, the ratio of aggregate is actually 4, and the total ratio is 7 times the dry volume of the concrete. Okay, so 4 over 7 times 3.696 meter cube, we'll get 2.112 meter cube. So we get all three informations here. The last one will be the volume of aggregate. The second one will be the volume of sand, and the first one is the number of bag of cement. Okay, so we can conclude that cement we need 15.2 bags, okay, and sand we need 1.056 meter cube, and aggregate we need 2.112. So these are the conclusions of the calculations. Okay, thank you, bye. If you are interested on my video, please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for support.